So the third energy draining offender is sugar and sugary drinks. So sugar and sugary drinks is also refined carbohydrates, also referred to as refined carbohydrates. So examples are obvious things like candy, cookies, cake, and soda. By the way, a can of soda has 39 grams of sugar, which is almost 10 teaspoons of sugar. Examples are Coke. A 12-ounce can of Coke, which is 1.5 cups, has 39 grams of sugar, which is 10 teaspoons of sugar. Also, too, orange juice, which is thought to be healthy, has 24 grams of sugar in 8 ounces, which is 1 cup. So to really understand how much grams are, you take the grams divided by 4 to get the teaspoons. So 24 grams of sugar in OJ divided by 4 is 6 teaspoons. The World Health Organization's recommended dietary allowance for sugar is 6 teaspoons per day. So how many people do you know are just drinking 1 cup of orange juice? Nobody. So people are getting too much sugar on a daily basis. So there are also not so obvious items that appear to be healthy but are often loaded with sugar. Cereals, granola bars, protein bars, tomato sauce, ketchup, yogurt, salad dressing, barbecue sauce, fruit and vegetable juice. And juicing is terrible to me. When juicing, you're removing fiber that is responsible for regulating your blood sugar levels. And just like refined carbs we talked about, these sugar laden foods cause your blood sugar to spike, giving you a quick boost of energy and then a crash, which drains your body of energy. So I love what I do because we help people overcome their health challenges in the form of education. The education I'm sharing today is my free, healthy, delicious energy boosting recipe guide. If you want to get free access to my recipe guide, simply email me at brandonrdrake@gmail.com and ask for it. And that's it, nothing hard. And definitely feel free to ask me any other nutrition, and food related questions. Peace.